Wind ranges. These ranges extend parallel to the north of the Narmada Sun Rift Valley from west to east. They are all residual fold mountains. It extends in the north of a Malwa Plateau in Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. It separates North India from South India. Its average altitude is 450 to 600 meters. It extends from west to east up to 1,200 kilometers in the form of Vandher and Kamur and Prashant Hills. Satpura ranges are a part of a Deccan Plateau. The Rift Valley of Narmada and Tapi surrounds it from both the sides. Structurally, Satpura has been divided into three parts: Rajpipla Hills in the west, Mahadev Hills at the center, and the Maikal Hills in the east. Dhupgarh, 1,350 meters, is the highest peak of Satpura ranges, located on the Panchmari Hills. Maikal ranges is located in the state of Chhattisgarh. The highest peak of a Maikal range in Amarkantak, 1,036 meters. Narmada River divides three entire plateau region into two parts. Narmada and Tapi both flow through Rift Valley. The eastern Ghats along this plateau are highly dissected. The slope of the peninsular plateau in the northern part is from south to north, as depicted from the flow of Son, Chambal and Damodar rivers. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers flow through these hills and form fertile plains. Central Highlands. The portion of the peninsular plateau which is located to the north of the Narmada River covers a huge part of the Malwa Plateau. A major portion of the Central Highlands is known as the Malwa Plateau. This plateau region is surrounded by Mahadev ranges in the east, Aravali ranges in the northwest and the Vindhya ranges at the center. The rivers that flow in this region are Chambal, Sindh, Betwa and Ken. Its eastward extension is locally known as Bundelkhand or Baghelkhand. The eastern end of the Central Highlands is drained by Damodar and Suvarnarekha rivers, which is known as the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Satpura ranges is the parallel to the Vindhya ranges. In its south, whereas Amarkantak and the Chota Nagpur Plateau are located in its east. Dandakaryan region. Dandakaryan region, it is a part of the peninsular plateau of the South India. It is extended up to 89,078 km square area in Odisha, Korapet, Kalahandi district, Chhattisgarh, Bastar and Andhra Pradesh, East Godavari, Visakhapatnam and Srikakulam districts. Deccan Plateau, it is bordered by the Western Ghats in the west, Eastern Ghats in the east and the Satpura, Maikal range and Mahadev Hills in the north. Anaimurai, 2,695 meters, is the highest peak of a peninsular plateau which is located on the Andamalai Hills of the Western Ghats. It is followed by Doda Beta, 2,637 meters on the Nilgiri Hills. The major parts of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Western Andhra Pradesh along with parts of the Karnataka and Tamil Nadu comes under Deccan Plateau. Krishna River originates from Mahabaleshwar, 1,480 meters, which is the major peak of a Sahyadri. The eastern part of the plateau is known as Vidarbha. Dharwar Plateau is located in Karnataka, which is made up of metamorphic rocks. Baba Budhan Hills and Brahmagiri Hills are located to its west. The northeastern plateau, Meghalaya Plateau, is the extension of the peninsular plateau which is separated by a fault, Malda Gap. from the peninsular plateau. Northeastern plateau comprises of Garo, Khasi, Jaintia hills and the outlying Mikir and Rengma hills. Eastern Ghats. The average height of the Eastern Ghats is 900 to 1100 meter, which extends for 1800 meter parallel to the eastern coastal plain from Mahanadi Valley to Nilgiri in the south. Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri rivers have eroded it at various places. Eastern Ghats are a residual mountains. The highest peak is Jindha Goda peak 1680 meter and Mahendragiri 1501 meter is the second highest peak. It is highly dissected and present in the form of hills. Mahendragiri in Odisha, Nallamala Palkonda in Andhra Pradesh and Annamalai, Javadi, Sevroy, Palani, Velangiri in Tamil Nadu are the major peaks of Eastern Ghats. These hills are separated by Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers. Western Ghats. The average heights of Western Ghats are 1000 meter to 1300 meter as compared to the Eastern Ghats, which are 600 meter high. Western Ghats extends for a length of 1600 meter from the Tapti river valley in the north to Nilgiri hills in the south. The highest peak of the South India is Annamurai 2695 meter, which is located on the Annamalai hills. Doda Beta 2637 meter is the second highest peak of South India. Nilgiri mountains are located at the meeting point of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Cardamom hills are located in the south of Western Ghats in Kerala and the south of the Annamalai hills in Tamil Nadu. Annamalai is located to its southwest, Palani hills to the northeast and the Asghatai Malai is located to its south. The Great North Indian Plains. The Great Plains are located south of the Shivalik separated by the Himalayan front fault. It is formed by the alluvial deposited brought down by the Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. It is spread over an area of 0.75 million km square. The east-west extension of this plain is 3200 km and the average width of this plain is 150 meter to 300 km. Its average depth is 460 meter. The slope of a western plain extends from north to east to south to west. Western plain extends from northeast to southwest and the slope of eastern plain is from northwest to southwest. Aravalli mountains act as a water divider between Indus and its tributaries which flow west of it. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Vez and Satluj flow westward and Ganga and its tributaries which flow from east of the Aravalli mountains, Yamuna, Gandak, Ghagra, Gomti, Saryu, Kosi, Mahananda, Son, etc. The Punjab Plains, the western side of the northern plain is known as the Punjab Plain. A large part of this plain is formed by the Indus and the tributaries Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Vez and Satluj that lie in Pakistan. The Doab of rivers and rivers is known as a Bari Doab and between Vez and Satluj rivers it is known as a Bist Doab. The Gangetic Plain, the plain region extends from Yamuna river to the western border of Bangladesh in the east and it is known as the Central Plain or Gangetic Plain. It extends length 1400 km between Ghagra and Tista river which is spread in some part of North India, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and in West Bengal. Upper Gangetic Plain is further subdivided into three parts: Ganga Yamuna Doab, Rohil, Khand plain and Awadh plain. Central Ganga plain. This plain extends up to an area of 1.45 lakh kilometers square and includes area from Allahabad to Farakka, Sivalik in the north, Vind and Chota Nagpur plateau in the south, 100 meter, contour line in the west and Bihar, West Bengal border in the east defined its boundary. Central Gangetic plain is divided into two subparts. Northern Gangetic plain, which has Ganga, Ghagra, Mithila plain or Kosi plain, in which Ganga, sun-divided Magad plain and Anga plain. Lower Ganga plain, it extends from the foothills of the Darjeeling Himalayas in the north to Bay of Bengal in the south, and from the eastern boundary of Chota Nagpur plateau in the west to Bangladesh and Assam border in the east, covering an area of 80,968 km square. The four important passes from north to south are Thal Ghat, Bhor Ghat, Pal Ghat and Senkota. Thal Ghat links Nasik to Mumbai, Bhor Ghat links Mumbai to Pune, Pal Ghat between Nilgiri and Annamalai hills. Senkota passes Nagar Coil and Cardamom hills linking Thiruvananthapuram and Madurai. The western Ghats meet the eastern Ghats in the south at Nilgiri hills. The highest peak of northern Sahyadri is Kalsubai, 1646 meter, whereas the highest peak of the southern Sahyadri is Kudrem Mukh, 1892 meter. The second highest peak of a southern Sahyadri is Puspagiri, 1714 meter. Kaveri river originates near Puspagiri. Thank you.